Hello students, welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. Today I am going to give 7 problems in chemical kinetic chapter. Okay, so let us see the first question. Okay, so here the very important one is, that I already told you, the zero order reaction, first order reactions is very important. So based upon only we have questions will be there. So that here we have formula will be there, we have examples are there, we have graph is there. Okay, this and all if you know means you can able to any sums they ask in a kinetic chapter, you can able to answer them. Okay, now let us see the first question. The rate constant of the reaction A gives B is 0.6 into 10 power minus 3 mole per liter per second. Full stop. If the concentration of A is 5 molarity, the concentration of B after 20 minutes is dash. That's the question. Okay. Option 3.60 molarity. Option B 0.360 molarity. Option C 0.72 molarity. Option D 1.08 molarity. Okay. Next one. Second question. A first order reaction has a rate constant of 2.303 to 10 power minus 3 per second. The time required for 40 gram of this reactant to reduce to 10 gram will be dash. That's the question. The log 2 value is also given 0.3010. Okay. So we have one formula. If you apply this, very special formula for, rate constant for first order reaction, that. Okay. So if you apply this, you can get the answer. Option A, 230.3 second. Option B, 301 second. Option C, 2000 second. Option D, 602 second. Understood? Next one. Third question. If the rate constant for a first order reaction is K, the time required for the completion of 99% of the reaction is given by option A, T is equal to 2.303 by K. Option B, T is equal to 0.693 by K. Option C, T is equal to 6.909 by K. Option D, T is equal to 4.606 by K. Okay, right. Next one. Fourth one, the rate constant for a first order reaction is 4.606 into 10 power minus 3 per second. The time required to reduce 2.0 gram of this reactant to 0.2 gram is dash. Okay. Option A, 100 seconds. Option B, 200 seconds. Option C, 500 seconds. Option D, 1000 seconds. Okay. Next one. For a reaction between A and B, the order with respect to A is 2 and order with respect to B is 3. The concentration of both A and B are double. The rate will increase by a factor of dash. That's the question. Okay. Option A, 12. Option B, 16. Option C, 32. Option D, 10. Okay. Sixth question. The rate constant of a reaction is 5.8 into 10 power minus 2 mole per liter per second. The order of the reaction is dash. Okay, simple, very simple question. If you know the unit means, you can able to find out the order. Option A, first order. Option B, zero order. Option C, second order. Option D, third order. Next one. Seventh question. The rate of a reaction between two reactant A and B decreases by a factor of 4. If the concentration of reactant B is double, the order of the reaction with respect to B is dash. That's a question. Option A, 2. Option B, minus 2. Option C, 1. Option D, minus 1. So these are the 7 questions I given. So just try to work out. Okay. So I'll give the solution to these 7 questions in the next class. Okay. Thank you, students.